my YouTubers from Janine's Life. I'm back from vacation and I'm heading out for the first time. I have to go to Old Navy, not for me, but for Vinny. He needs some t-shirts. He was a little annoyed that I had some clothes to bring that were new and he didn't. And he does need some t-shirts. So, how has everybody been? I hope well. Finally, the weather here in Florida is nice, but we're leaving in 3 weeks for New York, so I'm going to try to get a base tan and keep up with the little bit of color I got in Aruba. The trip was nice, but I have to confess and tell the truth because I keep it real. I got sick the last 2 days, and I think what happened is I was starting on my journey. You guys I don't know if you watch Janine's Kitchen or what I'm doing over there with food, but I tell you in my life, I finished my diet. I'm not really dieting. I'm sticking to eating healthier and eating less and stuff like that. So anyways, I was eating pretty healthy before I went on vacation for a good month. Meaning I had dropped the bread, the carbs, the fries, all that. And if I had the wings, I would have 6 wings fried in the air fryer with no grease, things like that. And salad and more veggies. Well, when I got to Aruba, when I cut the wine back, remember? I cut the wine back. When I got to Aruba, I don't know, all bets were off. When I'm with my family and our friends that are family, you see our crew, the 6 of us, me, Steph, John, Gary, and Susan, passing the church. We really just have a good time, and we don't watch what we're eating or drinking, and, we're on vacation. So I jumped right into the boat with my peeps and my fam, and I started over drinking the white wine. Now, at the hotel in Aruba, I didn't realize it till later, all they serve there for Pinot Grigio is Santa Margarita, which is me and Vinny's favorite. That's our splurge. We drink that on special occasions, on, great lunches, holidays, stuff like that. Now, it's not only like $16 a glass. I was having 6 glasses a day. I was having, 3 or 4 at lunch, 2 at dinner, 3 at lunch, 3 at dinner, that kind of thing. And on top of it, I know, that sounds excessive, I know, but remember, I was on vacation, and I can't handle my white wine. So now, that's not the only bad. The alcohol, if I had left it alone, I would have been fine. But on top of it, now you see me eating the cheeseburger. I can't remember the last time I had a cheeseburger before the Aruba trip. So now I got the carbs coming in, the greasy food, the heavy food. Now I'm eating 3 meals a day instead of 1 to 1.5, like I normally do, light breakfast, veggies for dinner, lighthearted, all that kind of thing. So by 72 hours of that, because I started at the airport at home, on the way there, on the plane. I brought some kind of sandwich or wrap and all the snacks on the plane I was eating, and I was drinking red wine, and it was a mess. After 3 days of overindulgence, well, I was not going to the bathroom well, I was not feeling good in the gut, and so much to the point that I was literally in pain, uncomfortable, really uncomfortable. So I said, that's it. I shut it down. I didn't go to dinner with them the last night, which sadly was Susan's birthday night, the actual birthday night, and they went to a beautiful steakhouse. They were all eating filet mignons. Vinny sent me a video, and I think I posted it up for you guys to see. Well, I missed it, and I'm glad I did, because the truth is, even at home, on any occasion, I don't digest beef well. You'll see me cook it for both of us, and I'll probably have half a steak, to be honest with you. Off camera, I just save mine. I share mine with the dog. I really never finish a whole filet mignon, even if it's a 6-ounce, a little one. So I'll have that maybe 3 ounces. I always have trouble with beef. So anyways, long story short, I shut it down. I self-healed. I didn't eat. Shut it down. I did not eat. That's the first thing I stopped. I stopped drinking immediately. Started flushing tons and tons of water at breakfast with Vinny. We had our breakfast included, which was free, which was nice. Continental, luckily. And I just had cranberry juice. They had some prunes, so I grabbed those the first day I shut it down because I wanted to try to clean my digestive out. I wasn't going to the bathroom good. So I don't want to gross you all out, but that was what happened to me. Now I'm home. When I got home, I continued my self-healing, meaning I very, very judicially chose my food, my drink. I haven't had any alcohol. I have been eating all good things with lots of high fiber. That's the first thing I need. And that's what I'm doing. I'm on my healing journey this week. I posted a few things on Janine's Kitchen, which I'm going to continue. I'm going to continue with my health journey because I've been watching tons and tons of videos. Lots of inspiration. I'm not going to be fanatical. I told you guys that. But for the most part, I'll always throw in regular good dishes and meals and casseroles and pastas because that's what Vinny eats. Like tonight, for example. Vinny's having fried pork chops, grilled pork chops on the George Foreman like he did last time. I'll film it and you'll see it. They're going to be gorgeous. I'll do a short. But they're in the fridge marinating for him. Me, on the other hand, for tonight's dinner, what do I got? I got leftover lentil soup I made the other day. So I'm going to have my leftover lentil soup. I have string beans for his side dish, which I'll add to mine. I have a little bit of white tilapia left over from his dinner last night, and I'll scrap together myself a light, healthy dinner. And that's what I'll do. And I've been doing that. And this is no diet. This has nothing to do with diet. I've reached my goal already. But I haven't reached my health goals. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. I'm going to be making sure I'm eating better, healthier, and if you're interested at all, go over and check it out at Janine's Kitchen. Right now I have a couple of pestos up there, which are really good, and the reason I did them is because I tell people, pesto is not just for pasta, right? It's not. It's also, I gotta watch from the gas station here, it's also for sandwich spreads and other ways to eat it and enjoy it.